Hi, this is Otanu, and this tutorial we learn the continuation of the last tutorial about the rational number and its operation. So we are discussing the different property of the rational number. Now here we discuss the associative property of the rational number. So associative property, we should understand what is associative property. Associative property is like that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, where you can say that a, b, c all are the rational number. So means change of the group. Association means grouping. They change the group. This group change here. But this associative property is followed only for the addition and multiplication. It is not applicable for the addition and the multiplication, but not applicable for the division, okay, and subtraction. Clear? For example, if you do the calculation 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, we get the same result if we do this, plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, we get the same value. For the multiplication also, if we multiply here like this into 1 by 5 with the first group, consider the two rational number, and for the second right side, if we consider 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 5 with this group, we get the same result. Clear? Hope it is clear to everyone. Now we learn the distributive property of the rational numbers. Okay, so it is like that a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Clear? And also a into b minus c, a into b minus a into c. This is distributive property of the rational number. Distributive property of the multiplication over addition. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition, and distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Clear? These both properties followed for the rational number. For example, if I consider any rational number, for example 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4, okay, and if you do the calculation like this, 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 4, at both LHS if we separately do the calculation, and also RHS if you do separately the calculation, we get the same value, same result. Clear? Okay, now we discuss about the identity properties of the rational number. So what are the identity property? For example, 1 by 2, if we add 0, what value we get? We get the same value. Okay, this value and this value is same. So 0 is the identity of the rational number, is the identity of any rational number. Additive identity of any rational number. Clear? And also if I consider 3 by 5, if we multiply 1, we get the result 3 by 5. So here 1 is the multiplicative identity. Of any rational number. Now we learn about the inverse properties of the rational number. So what is, first of all, what is additive inverse? Additive inverse of any number, for instance 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 additive inverse is minus 3 by 5. Why? Because if we add with the additive inverse number, then we get the result 0. So minus 3 is the additive inverse of 3 by 5. Clear? And multiplicative inverse, multiplicative of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Why? Because if we multiply 3 by 5 and 5 by 3, we get a result 1. Clear? Similarly, I give you more example. For example, if we consider minus 1 by 7. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 7 is what? We have to get the result 1. So it is 7. Clear? It is 7. Why? Again, if we multiply minus 1 by 7 into minus 7, we get result 1. Clear? So minus 7 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 7. Hope it is clear to everyone. In earlier discussion, we have discussed about the pi. Okay. So what is the value of pi? What is the value of pi? Exact value of the pi? 22.7. Pi actually, what is the value? 3.14285714. Okay, it is the important note. So it is, this pi is very popular irrational number. Sorry, very popular irrational number. Why? Because the pi, actually we get pi from the 22 by 7, but it is not the exact value of the pi. Correct? You must consider about that. It is very important note to everyone. Try to understand. Pi is not the exact value of 22 by 7. It is for the different pi having the different application. Okay, we get the approximate value. Mostly considered pi as 3.14. It is not exact. It is not the exact value. Clear? So pi is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Clear? But 22 by 7, it is a combination of the two integer. 22, it is an integer, and 7 also integer. So 22 by 7 is a rational number. Clear? So although we derive the pi from 22 by 7, but you should understand very clearly it is the approximate value to derive the pi. It is not the exact value. So 22 by 7, you can't say it is equal to pi. That is the reason that 22 by 7 is a rational number, whereas the pi is the irrational number. Hope it is clear to everyone.